guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Christmas decorate with me. I'm going to be decorating my whole home using inspiration that I found on Pinterest, the Anthropology catalog, just different places, and just kind of meshed everything together to make it really cute and festive. In this video, I'm going to be decorating my bedroom and the kitchen and dining room areas, and then in the next video, I'm going to do two because I'm sure that this is going to be way too long otherwise. In the next video, I'm going to be decorating my front porch, living room, and entryway. And I'm really excited because I love Christmas. My husband really loves Christmas. Usually I pull out the things that I already have, but I told him this year I wanted to kind of just go all out. And when I told Daniel my plans, he said that I hit his weakness, and he could not say no when I said I want to spend some money on this. So I tried not to break the bank, but I definitely did go a little bit more crazy than I ever have in previous years. Anyways, with all that being said, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and give this video a like if you love Christmas too, and let's get into decorating. So these are the two bins of Christmas stuff I pulled out of our garage. A lot of it is Christmas tree stuff, and I'm not doing that today, but this is the stuff that I shopped for. A lot of it's from Target, but there are a couple other things in there as well. I haven't undecorated anything yet, so I'm just gonna do that as I decorate. This is a branch that the neighbors let me cut down from their tree. I'm going to decorate with that. I'll probably get a lot more of those because they'll look really pretty. So these are my Mrs. Meyer apple cider scent, which I love. I actually refilled it with cheaper dish soap and hand soap, so it's not actually in there anymore. But I'm just going to put them down and use them later on. And put out these that I got. I'm really excited. So this is the Mrs. Meyer Iowa Pine. I get these on Grow Collaborative. I'll have a link down below if you guys want to shop, and I think that there's a coupon out. Anyways, I'll have a link down below. You guys can see what the offer is. But I had a really fun idea from something I saw from the Magnolia line, and I thought I have that stuff. I could just throw something together myself. So this is a vase that I got from Anthropology as a gift for my mom, and I asked her if we could just have it out here as a little decoration, and she said yes, of course. So I thought it would be really cute to just fill it with some pine needles and just put that like that by my Iowa Pine scented hand soap, and just looks so pretty. That looks exactly how I want it to look. It's perfect. Just like that. Chewing is so cute. He's over there chomping on french fries. So the last area of my kitchen I wanted to decorate for Christmas is this little coffee nook, which is kind of overcrowded right now. I want to declutter it and make it look really festive. I'm really excited. I think this is like the most exciting part about the whole house for me. So what I got, let me go get it. So I went to Cash and Carry. I don't know what it's called now. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys know what place I'm talking about, but they changed their name. It's the most amazing wall of coffee syrups I have ever seen. Like, they have a few different brands and like every flavor ever, and they're only $4.75 there. That's even cheaper than like Home Goods and TJ Maxx. They're so cheap. Anyway, so I got the Torani coffee syrup in white chocolate and also in peppermint, which I thought were really Christmassy. And I already had this salted caramel, so now we can make salted caramel mocha, peppermint mocha, white chocolate hot, like peppermint hot chocolate, salted caramel hot chocolate, tons of different things. And I also got a fancy pump to go with each one as well at the same place. So I'm gonna put this all together and it's gonna look amazing. I also have some candy canes. I kind of am going off a Pinterest picture I saw, but I'm going off a Pinterest picture I saw that looked really cute, but it was kind of more of a hot chocolate bar, and I want mine to be a coffee bar / hot chocolate bar, and tea. I make a lot of tea. Anyways, these are really cute and festive looking, and then of course got some hot chocolate because we like to make ours mochas, and then these will look really festive there as well. So anyways, let's get to decorating. So these are some mugs that I had. They're from Crate & Barrel. We got them from our wedding 4 years ago, but they're still just so cute. So I'm going to be using that at our coffee bar. This guy is going away because it is just too big, and I have a lot of fun stuff that I need to put out here. my hot cocoa, and this basket that was in my bathroom was perfect, so I'll have to figure out something else in my bathroom. So I just washed these pumps up using the Iowa Pine soap for the first time, and it smells so good. It made me think of like the smell when you walk into Nordstrom. I don't know why, but I really love it. So I think I want a sign that says coffee bar back here, and maybe, oh, some greenery. I have some. Again, this is something the neighbors gave to me. I think it looks really great right here. It's perfect. So I think other than the sign, this is exactly what I want it to look like. It looks so cute. So the last place I'm going to be decorating is my table setting, which has been set ever since since before I got the Magnolia home body book, but I definitely changed things around after I got inspiration from Joanna Gaines' book. So I really like the way it is. I'm later on going to change the pumpkins out for pine cones, but I thought pumpkins are still, it's not Thanksgiving yet, so I'm going to leave the pumpkins up until after then. But I do want to switch out the centerpiece here. So instead of buying a full table runner, because it's not really practical for Marcus who sits on the end here anyways, and I planned on leaving these placemats, I just bought a placemat from the Target Hearth and Hand line, and it's only $5, so much less than a table runner, but it's still going to make it look a little bit more festive. Okay, and then I had some lemons in this little basket I've had from Anthropologie, but I'm going to switch it out for my pears that I've had for years and years and years because I think they look just a lot more festive, especially because of the color. And last but not least, I'm going to be switching out the eucalyptus for these really pretty, these were from the Target dollar section. They were $3 each. I thought that they would make the table setting look really wintry. So there's not a whole lot that I'm going to be doing in my bedroom right now, but I did get this sheet set from Target, some flannel sheets that I'm going to be putting on my bed to make things a little bit more warm and cozy because it does get colder at night, and I just think it's a really cute red and white striped pattern. These clear lights are from Target. They were only $2.50, and I thought it would be really fun to just string them along the back pillows. I don't have a headboard, so they'd ideally go back on a headboard, but they're going to be really fun anyways. I also got this candle from Target. It is one of their winter editions. I'm kind of going for more of a winter theme than Christmas, but I want to be able to leave everything up like all winter. So I got the evergreen and pomegranate candle. It's really beautiful, but the pomegranate in this make it smell so good. I also brought out Daniel's flannel pajamas, and then I just got these really fun wintry ones from Anthropologie. Anthropologie is so expensive, but I wouldn't have bought them without a coupon. But they're just really fun Christmas trees, well, winter trees, and then I love the waistband tassel. So cute. I think I might get a Christmas tree for Daniel's nightstand, but other than that, I am pretty much done in the bedroom. I didn't want to go too far out in the bedroom. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope this got you so in the mood for Christmas. I know that we are so excited here. If this video gave you guys some good ideas, let me know in the comments down below because I love hearing from you guys. I want to make sure that all my videos are just really valuable for you. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.